Number 1. 5K Digital Camera 5X Optical Zoom Cameras for Photography. The latest 2024 5K optical zoom digital camera with Sony IMX20616MP sensor chip enhances color and detail capture in all aspects of the image, greatly improving image quality and enabling clearer photos to be taken. Easily navigate through photos/videos and camera settings on the 3.2-inch 1024-768 IPS touchscreen, whose responsive interface allows for effortless operation and a seamless, enjoyable new shooting exp. Number 2. Canon EOS 4000D/Rebel T100 DSLR camera with EFS 18 to 55mm zoom lens SanDisk 64GB memory card tripod case wide-angle lenses tech digital cloth. Canon EOS 4000D/Rebel T100 DSLR camera body, international version, 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ISO 100/6400, up to 3 frames per second shooting, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, 9.AF with center cross-type point, full HD 1080/30p video recording, creative filters, creative auto modes, 3.0-foot 920K LCD monitor, Digic for image processor and Number 3. AKASO EK7000 4K 30fps 20MP Wi-Fi action camera. Professional 4K 30fps 2.7K 30fps video with 20MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. Smooth stabilization. Built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, delivers steady and smooth videos. It can enable excellent footage even you or the object is in fast-moving. Number 4. Sony a7 III ILSM 3K/B, full-frame mirrorless interchangeable-lens camera with 28 to 70mm lens with 3-inch LCD. Advanced 24.2MP BSI full-frame image sensor W/1.8x readout speed. Advanced 24.2MP back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. 15-stop dynamic range. 14-bit uncompressed RAW, ISO 50 to 204,800. Up to 10 frames per second silent or mechanical shutter with AE/AF tracking. 693 phase detection /425 contrast AF points W/93% image coverage. Number 5. Canon EOS 2000D/Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens. Canon EOS 2000D DSLR camera, soft padded bag, SanDisk Ultra 64GB card, 6 Avenue Electronics Deluxe cleaning set, Canon EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 lens, Canon LPE10 lithium-ion battery pack, Canon LCE10E battery charger for EOS Rebel Canon iCup EF, Canon RF3 body cap for Canon EOS cameras, EW400D neck strap, battery cover, the ideal first DSLR for making and sharing memories with beautiful background blur. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.